Hello everyone, so today we will learn about the multiple copies of Windows in Microsoft. So let's start. First, I'll open Run by pressing Window and R. Okay, here it is. So you will type msconfig, then click OK, and you will go to the Boot tab. You see, there is only one operating system since I have done a clean installation when you upgrade from any other version. But when you do not do any clean installation, there will be multiple copies here. Okay, so the next thing you will do is you need to select the current operating system, and you should make it sure that this is the current default as it is already selected. There's no need to touch anything, only this. Then click apply and then OK. So the next time when you turn on the computer, you will not get any those app boot loading options. So that's all, and thank you for watching.